Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to get rid of, erase, remove, make them disappear, spider veins, technically called telangiectasias. And for those of you who happen to be new to my channel and not familiar with who I am, Chris Gibson, a skincare expert, esthetician, been doing skincare and helping people with their skin for 37 years. I know that's a really long time. Love it. Love to help you as well. So if this is the kind of information you've been looking for here on YouTube from someone who really walks the talk, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Okay, so spider veins, almost everybody gets them, and they're really frustrating to treat, and usually people just try to cover them up with makeup or concealer. But today we're going to be talking about a way to make these disappear for good and keep them at bay for good with a powerful, amazing set of ingredients. And these spidery looking veins happen when little capillaries grow just underneath the skin. So they're not broken just sitting there. They're viable veins in your skin. And a lot of things can cause these. Number one, inflammation in the skin is often the reason. And that can occur for a lot of different reasons. Aging, of course, more likely to have them as you get older. Smokers tend to have more of these. People that consume a lot of alcohol. Sun exposure, even clotting issues with the blood. And for those varicose and spider veins that we see on places like the ankles, the knees, that can actually be from standing too long. Now, of course, telangiectasias, varicose veins, they're not really harmful, but they can be unsightly. But left untreated, sometimes they can actually develop ulceration or sores. And almost everyone is going to experience these to some degree. I have them in my face, very tiny, hard to see, but they're there. And we talked about addressing these on the channel before with things like making sure you have vitamin K or enough substantial vitamin K in your diet to help with these. But today we're going to be talking about this product, hands down, my favorite product ever for spider veins because it works so incredibly well. And this product is Dermalex Facial Spider Vein Treatment. So while you could apply this product anywhere on the skin where you're having these spider veins, I've used it on my ankles quite successfully. This particular product is designed specifically for the areas of the face and neck. And it works so terrifically well because it has vitamin K in its formulation, which can make a tremendous difference in these over a short period of time, especially on the nose and the cheeks where they're most common. They also included phytodenine, which is an ingredient that actually helps skin circulation, along with a ton of hydrating and botanical ingredients that I really like. Horse chestnut, willow leaf extract, along with jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and shea butter. So this is a very richly formulated product. And on this one, you would apply a fairly generous amount of the product to the area you're trying to treat. Since I have them on the sides of my nose and my upper cheekbones, this is where I've been applying this product. Now, most of mine are already gone, but I continue to use the product to make sure that they stay gone and to actually condition my skin not to form any more of them. And this can be applied day or night or both. Since it has shea butter and jojoba oil, if you're using any products like a vitamin C serum, any water-based products, peptides, those need to go on first before this cream. Most of you guys already know I use prescription strength tretinoin on my skin. It works very well even with that. But should you decide to try to use this for yourself, as always with any product you've never used, you want to do that patch test on the inner arm and make sure you don't have any sorts of sensitivity or irritation from the product before you apply it to your face. Now, of course, I will put a link down below in the video description box where you guys can go check this out for yourself. If you decide to use it, please come back, let us know how it's working for you. And for even more ways to roll back that clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. Thank you guys so much for watching and joining me today. I really appreciate you so much. Stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.